Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Google Forms for surveys or collection information. So creating a Google form is a straightforward process, so let's go and do that. Now head over here to the forum.google.com. Click the blank plus button right over here to start from scratch, or you can choose a template. As you can see here, template gallery, and here you can select whatever you want. So let's go here. I will go with the blank project. Now what you can do is, okay, right here we can, until that forum, here you can give the name. So I will go with just a short one here. At the bottom here, from description, here you add the description right here. So like so. Then you have add question. So here click the plus icon in the floating sidebar here on the right that you can add questions. Then you have change question types. So here you will use drop down menu to each question to choose between multiple choices, short answer, checkbox, drop down, or file upload. Then you have make required, so toggle required switch at the bottom of the question to ensure users don't skip it. Then what we can do is customize a little bit. So click the palette icon right here at the top right corner. So customize theme. Right here you can change colors, you can change fonts, or upload a header image like company logo or themed banner. Then the second thing that we can do is go to the settings. So settings right here at the top, click on that. Right here we have some collect email address, automatically do not collect verified responder input. So here you can set up limit responses, and you have confirmation messages, edit what users see after they click submit under the presentation section. And when you are done with that, just simply click the send button or publish right over here, and you can also copy responders link and share with your friends, some colleagues, or with on social media. To view the results, you will see here this tab at the middle of the question and settings. Here in this tab, you will see the responses of people who take the survey. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.